Hello BIM learners, welcome to BIMmodeler.com. In this video tutorial, I like to explain you two simple things which is very helpful in Revit families, which you must know. So if you are using Revit reference planes in your project, you should have a different colors based on their references or their uses. In my case, if I'm using this origin, I have a red color. And if I'm using these strong reference planes, which I'm using it as left a strong reference, and I'm naming them. The naming them is very much important so that we can use them in the project and do it. For example, how do we create the colors for this? You know it. You can create it here, or you can go to the manage, under manage object style. It is an annotation category. Under the reference plane, you create the category as much as you need it. For in this case, for the origin reference planes, I have created red lines, and for the strong reference planes, I have a blue one. Similarly, you can create your new subcategory and assign your appropriate colors and reference lines, and you can directly change it in this place. As like in project, you can change the line types and you can change the subcategory of the lines as well, reference plane as well. The second thing is that when you have this, as I said, for the strong and weak reference planes, I have another video. I will link it in the top. You can refer that as well. And regarding the name, this is very much useful when you are working on the family. If you have multiple references, when you are trying to place them or align them or dimension them, this is very much useful. If I am taking the align command, and if you see that the indication in my cursor, it says that left, which means we are naming that. Also in the status bar, the names will be shown at the bottom. So it is back side of the table and the front side of the table. So like this, these two are important. Assigning a color, which is very much helpful if you have hundreds of reference plane in your family. We should not, but if you are, and if you have multiple reference planes, it is very much useful. The second thing is that you name the reference plane. If it is important reference plane in project, it will be much more useful if it is a complex family. So I hope this tutorial helped you. Do like it, share it with your learning friends. See you on the next tutorial.